A lot of lies are being sold in the financial market to people to believe that indicators and robot is all they need to become profitable, but that right there is a lie. All right. Learning how to trade using price action is one of the best ways you can actually become profitable trading in financial market. And if you watch through to the end of this video, I will show you a price action techniques that actually works. All right. So I think I will enter my trade at the end of this candle, depending on how it closes. But first, let me quickly draw a trend line on the resistance. Okay. So this right here is going to be the resistance levels that we will be observing. Okay. Let me see. All right. So okay, I think we have a breakout on this one. I hope we are not missing out already on this trade. We should have entered the trade on this very candle, but let us see what happened. I will enter a trade on this level because I think we should have been on a trade already here, but you know, it's all the same. We'll see what happens at the end of the trade. While we wait for this trade to run out, we simply we want to consider joining our trading community, where we give away all our signals 100% for free. So for those of you who have no trading system, you have no strategy, but you want to make money trading the financial market every single day, this is the best community you need to join. We are not interested in any of those garbage things that people do. This is just the way we give out back to the community that we have by providing all the signals 100% for free. Over 30 signals every single day, 4 trading sessions every single day. You just have to take this trade, and our strategies are the easiest to copy. Easiest to copy, guys. So join us. The link is pinned below in the comment section. Let us make money together, guys. So why this trade runs, I want to quickly walk you through a few things that we saw that has made us to place a trade. Okay. First, you can see this is USD CNH, the OTC market. This is the 1 minute time frame, which means that every single candle you see right here is a representation of 1 minute. All right, every candle, whether 1 minute, whether green or red, whether small or big, they are all 1 minute. And of course, the expiry right here is 5 minutes, as you can see, and we are risking 6 grand for this beautiful trade. Okay, and then you can also see that this used to be a downtrend, but obviously now you can see that if you understand price structure, this now is a an uptrend. But if you don't understand price structure, we are also simply going to explain to you how you can understand and read price action and understand the structure of the price. So make sure you stick to the end and do not miss out. So we'll wait to see what happens at the end of the trade. We have how many minutes? We have less than 4 minutes now, and we will explain everything in detail why we took this trade. So let us wait. So pay close attention to this operation and see how beautiful price is moving towards the upside after we place our trade, guys. This is made possible through the help of price action. You just have to learn it, you just have to apply it, and that's all you need to profit from all of these beautiful strategies that we give out every single day. And all our strategies are price action strategies. They are just price action simple techniques that anybody, if you listen, if you pay attention, if you practice, you can start using these strategies to make profit, massive profit from the financial market. So if you're interested in being a part of our mentorship program, we teach you everything from A to Z, how to trade using our price action techniques. Join us right now. The link is also pinned below in the comment section. Join the Telegram channel, contact us, and we'll show you everything you need to be a part of that. So we have 3, 2, 1, and guys, it's a beautiful direct win, as you all can see, guys. This strategy works and it shows. All right. So more important than the win is the why. All right. So let me quickly walk you through what I saw that has made me to place this trade. So you can start trading using the strategies, using these techniques, and start profiting, easily from the financial market starting right now. Like I said, this right here is the USD CNH, the OTC market. This is the 1 minute time frame. Means that every single candle right here is 1 minute. And of course, our trade run for a period of 5 minutes. That's the expiry. We risk our 6 grand, as you all can see right here. And our trade was placed in direction of the buyers. So what did I saw that made me to place this trade? First, I saw that we are having a beautiful uptrend. As you can see right here, in the past, we're having a strong downtrend. The price we are moving, then, price we are moving, retracing, moving down, retracing, moving down. And that right here is a healthy structure of a downtrend. Now, another thing you want to know when you understand price structure is that when price is falling down in a downtrend, there's what we call the lower high swings. All right, they are highs, but they are lower. Now, if you look at this market scenario now, you will see that this right here is a high. This right here is also a high. Okay, this is a high, this is a low. This is another high, but this high is lower than this previous high. And then price fell down, created this low. All right, now price rose again and created this high. This high here now is a lower high because it is lower than the previous highs, as you can see. So these are called lower high swings. And if we're having a downtrend, the lower high swings are usually strong because price doesn't break them easily. The levels that are easy to be broken by the market are the lower low swings. Now, let me show you what a lower low swing means. All right, so this right now is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high. Okay, this low is easily taken out by the market when we're having a downtrend. Now you see that price broke it right here, fell, then price rose again, created this new high. This being a low was easily broken again. Price fell and easily broke it again. So these lower low swings and the lows are easy to be broken in a downtrend. But in a downtrend, the lower high swings are usually strong. So when the lower high swings got broken for any reason, it is only a sign that the trend is about to change. So from what I can see, the obvious previous lower high swing I can find is this level right here, because price failed, created this new low, this low, the price rose, created this high, and then it got broken and price came down to this recent low, as you can see. So when this higher low swing got broken, it is only a sign now that the price is now in favor of the buyers. That is how we read price action and understand trend using this simple structural technique. Okay, so this is very important if you want to learn how price action works and read trend. You must understand how to use these price structure techniques. Now, this is how we know that the trend has changed and the buyers are now in strongly in the market. So price rose, right? Broke this level, and it became an uptrend in my opinion. And then this right here now is a minor downtrend. Remember that price doesn't move in a straight line. Whether it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend, there are going to be rise and fall and rise and fall and rise and fall. That's how the market moves. Okay, when my price is moving in the favor of the buyers, sellers also steps in as a matter of time, as some time to move the price a little bit down, and the buyer steps in again, move the price up. Seller steps in, move the price down. That's how it moves. Now, when this strong spike happened, there was the retrace of the market right here. So this is what we call correction in the market. Price has to rise, then it has to correct. It is just normal that it has to happen, you know. Even in Bitcoin and in crypto, price doesn't just move up and up and up. There has to be correction at a certain period of time, of the year, whatever. So this right here was the correction we saw here. And this is the obvious correction that we were also witnessing at the time. Okay, now how do you trade this technique? It is easy. You just have to spot the retracement phase or the correction phase of any market. So if this is a strong uptrend, this right here is the correction phase, and then you have to be very careful to spot out the areas where the sellers are trying to correct the market. Now this is where sellers stepped in and started to move the price downward. On this lower scale, this is a minor downtrend because this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high swing, this is a lower low swing. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to draw a trend line on the resistance level, because why? We are monitoring the sellers, right? The sellers get weak, then we take a trade. All right, so this is it. Now you see that this level is strong because the level we respected multiple times, and then eventually we had the market breaking this level right here. Okay, when market broke this level, it's totally a sign to us that these sellers right here are out of the market. They're getting weak. And of course, you want to take your trade. And you know, this wasn't a proper breakout. The market also broke above, but this was the red candle, though it's a positive one. But this right here would be the perfect entry for us. If I were here, I would have taken my trade here. But when I came, this candle already formed, so I had to take my trade on this very candle. But all the same, you know, we also want the trade. But if you want to trade, make sure you get it. Make sure you trade this very type of breakout. This is where you should be entering, you know, when you want to trade, because you know you have no experience just yet. So this is all and everything I put together that has helped me to make this profit of 11 grand. All right, if you find any value here, you have to give the video a like and make sure to subscribe on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operation in the future. Do well to join our Telegram channel. The link is pinned below in the comment section. enjoy our signals and also be a part of our mentorship program. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.